this is the third part of this thing. So I'm gonna open the bracelet now. I'm gonna put these outside right now. Okay, come on. Okay, and the card. I'm gonna put Rainbow Dash here since you already saw her. And now we're gonna open up the fashion pack. Open up Pinkie Pie. There's Pinkie Pie in the front. Ooh, this one has the bracelet on it, so hopefully this will work. I'm gonna save the back for the. I need to use my scissors for a second. There's something. Oh, there we go. I can put my thumb in and put a lot and rip it off. Okay. Okay. There's cardboard. This one is Twilight. Okay. Here it comes out of its pack. Okay. This back here. Okay. Now we got another pony. And we got Twilight. So you can like pop this one out. And then put Rarity on. Okay, so you can like pop on Rarity. And this is one of them. You have to open it like this. I've been learning. Oh, it's hard. How are you supposed to open it? Oh my gosh, this is hard. I need a... Okay, I'll open this on the fourth part. It's kind of hard, I think, at first when you get these. Oh, man. So, bye.